Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool GEARCASE DW1, part #W11454372. The Whirlpool GEARCASE DW1, part #W11454372 is a replacement part for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is the main component of the dishwasher that houses the motor, pump, and other components. The gearcase is responsible for controlling the rotation of the wash arms and spray arms, as well as providing power to the motor and pump. It also helps to keep water from leaking out of the dishwasher. The gearcase is made from durable plastic and metal components, and it is designed to last for many years with proper maintenance. This part comes with a 1-year warranty. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool GEARCASE DW1, part #W11454372 is designed to replace a worn or damaged gear case in a Whirlpool dishwasher. This part helps to ensure that the dishwasher operates properly and can fix symptoms, such as the dishwasher not draining, not spinning, or not agitating. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the dishwasher to the countertop or cabinet. 3. Carefully tilt the dishwasher forward and remove it from its mounting location. 4. Place the dishwasher on a flat surface and locate the gearcase cover on the bottom of the unit. 5. Remove any screws that are securing the cover in place and carefully lift it off of the unit. 6. Unscrew any remaining screws that are securing the old gearcase in place and remove it from its mounting location. 7. Place your N. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsipscc1 to order residential appliance parts.